My name is Panagiotis Enatoudis. I'm the founder of Pelliti. I started 1991 with a local variety here in Greece. I started by hitchhiking and by foot to travel around in Greece because I have no money and no job and don't care really in this period. I was 25 and asked people about the seed. And something happened in my personal life and it was bad, but from this I understand my way is to work with the seeds. In 10 years I collect more than 1,200 different varieties of seeds. Very special seeds who was to disappear from Greece. Pelliti have 17 different local group in Greece, one in Bulgaria, and all this group, another farmer from different countries, bring the seeds here and give it free to the other farmers. This is that happened today. 2011 I was in Brussels for a meeting. There I met the first time the people from Kokopelli. We meet many people and of course we meet Dominique. He is excellent man and he opened all his door and show us how keep seeds, how save. Dominique with Ananda came here in Pelliti. Dominique gave one excellent seminar for a professional farmer because we like to continue and work together with Kokopelli to create a farmer group here who like to save seeds and put these seeds on old land for professional agriculture.
About 30 years ago, I met Dr. Alan Capula, and I was already wild collecting medicinal plants for 5 or 6 years, and when I met him, he inspired me about seeds and garden seeds, and so I started doing that. We grow probably 40 different crops every year, from medicinal plants to flowers, vegetables, corn, quinoa, amaranth, many medicinals. Probably half the fields are in medicinal plants. I think it's a good thing that you create more alternative medicine so people have more choice from the pharmaceuticals. Food is our first medicine and then the herbs are our second medicine. When people can heal themselves and learn some things about that, that's what my journey's been about all these years anyway.
I'm Isabella, I'm from Italy, and I'm working in Rome with Navdanya International that started as an organization in India by the initiative of Vandana Shiva. Basically, our work in Rome is to try to promote Navdanya's goals and Navdanya's values, which are connected with the main issue of food and health. And from this main issue, there are different interconnected issues. There are the freedom of seeds and the right of farmers to own their own seeds, and to propose a new and different paradigm of food supply that is different from the dominant food supply system. Basically, we think that to have nutritious food is a right of every human being and also of every living species. And so we think that to have nutritious food, you need to have a fertile soil, a living soil that is full with microorganisms and diverse species that are living all together. And so basically what we want to promote is a food production that takes into account diversity. So we also want to switch from a linear economy that is based on productivity and that ends up with the product, basically, to a circular economy that does not stop with the product, but is also giving something back to nature. So a cooperation between human and nature, because we believe this is possible, and we need to go in that direction.
We want to get a lot of seeds to make a nice big garden.
We are like kind of living in a place next to Kavala with hot spring water. It's like a squat, and we built rooms, now a garden.
This place is a community, like people live there, people come, people can take care of the garden.
I'm currently cycling around the world from London to New Zealand, so I'm collecting seeds to give to communities as I go. So when I volunteer on farms, I can give them really nice watermelons from Greece when I'm in Turkey and share organic living.
This particular tomato is from Santorini, this one I know.
Chickpeas, pumpkin, leek, cucumber, lots of good stuff. This is a great project. To be doing this for free is absolutely amazing. To be sharing the love essentially. So I think you should continue to do this.
I am from Athens. I was an insurer. I don't know anything about plants, nothing. I only know many things about music and insurance. But my wife loves plants and all these things. And as you see, I'm holding her plants. We don't want to be prisoners of anybody. We cannot accept anybody by telling us what to buy and what to do and what to eat. We eat whatever we choose to eat. And we choose to eat this. We love what they do here, Peliti, and we think that it's the only way to react to whatever is called dictatorship.
I am the abbess of the monastery of St. John the Baptist. This monastery is on the mountain of Kissavos at the center of Greece. We are working with Peliti many years. The first 5 festivals of Peliti took part in our monastery. The tradition of the monastery is to cultivate our food. We have a lot of trees for fruits. We have gardens to produce our vegetable, and we have a small animal farm. A small cheese making. We don't need to buy food. We produce seeds that we give to other people, not only, together with discussing with them and having some small seminaries how to cultivate. We come to Peliti festivals in different places, and we support with seeds and with advices and with our joy. And also we sell our products. We earn the money that we need to run the monastery and to help people.
Je m'appelle Mathieu Le Breton. En 2009, je me suis mis à mon compte après une expérience de 3 ans sur une ferme en maraîchage bio où j'ai acheté une première jument avec laquelle je faisais des entretiens de culture en traction animale. Je suis assez autonome en fruits et légumes sur quasi toute l'année, quoi. Et je fais des semences depuis... les premiers essais datent d'il y a peut-être 10 ans et c'est un peu plus intense depuis 5 ans. Réviser un petit peu mes cours de production de semences et transmettre aussi ça, ces compétences, c'est vraiment quelque chose qui m'anime depuis on va dire 6 mois, 1 an. Là, pour moi, ça devient clair, quoi. Je me dis c'est ça. Et c'est très complémentaire du volet activiste de ma personnalité, puisque j'ai porté de multiples casquettes, j'ai essayé de donner mon énergie dans différents mouvements, j'ai participé à la construction de collectifs, j'ai été beaucoup investi dans les mouvements anti-OGM. Je ne vais pas faire la liste des parcelles que j'ai détruites quand même, mais oui, c'est les faucheurs volontaires, hein. C'est la désobéissance civile non violente. Et c'est un positionnement qui me paraît intéressant et ça permet de mettre en lumière la différence entre la légalité et la légitimité. Court-circuit, c'était dans l'idée du circuit court, mais du court-circuit aussi, le petit clin d'œil, genre on court-circuite le bordel. On a un producteur de pain, 4 producteurs de légumes, plusieurs producteurs de fruits, on a plein de viandes de toutes les couleurs, veaux, vaches, cochons, poules et compagnie. On vend des produits laitiers, vaches, brebis, chèvres. Enfin, on vend, on organise la vente et on soutient les paysans. Après, en commande ponctuelle, il y a de l'huile, donc c'est tournesol. Il y a des légumineuses, de la farine, du sel, du miel, du blé, de la bière. On a un paysan brasseur. On a un autre pote qui s'est installé plus haut. Bon, lui, il fait du houblon, donc il le vend plutôt à notre paysan brasseur qu'à nos mangeurs directement. Et on a écrit une charte ensemble, on a bossé, c'est encore une belle aventure humaine, quoi, et avec une construction collective.
I'm Catherine from Achinoa. We are the Austrian brothers and sisters of Peliti.
That seeds are sacred in the meaning they're worthy of our reverence.
Une semence, aussi fertile soit-elle, si elle n'a pas un sol fertile pour pousser, c'est qu'un embryon de vie sans futur.
I'm glad to be here at this show because you meet people from all over the world. I'm so inspired, you know. I'll come back to the States and I'll be inspired for at least a month with what I learned here.
We should have plenty more of these kind of events, so I really liked it.
C'est aussi ressourçant en fait de se retrouver dans ces événements-là où on se dit ah, ça c'est le monde que je veux, quoi.
We like to say thanks to all these people who travel from so far away to come and meet another people here. The seats give us freedom, and everyone who keep the seats, people or country, is more independent. It's free. We lost 18% of biodiversity in the world. Okay, this is one reality, but we have another 20%, and we focus in 20% to keep this 20% and to create more biodiversity. We can choose to change the future, and we can through the planet in a better way, because we live in this better way. We bring the better future now. That's it.
Thank you.
Thanks.